Realme is about to shake up the flagship market again, and this time, they're going bigger, brighter, and bolder than ever before. The upcoming Realme GT 8 Pro isn't just another upgrade, it's a serious leap forward. After confirming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset for the Realme GT 8 Pro, Realme has revealed more details regarding the display specs of its upcoming flagship. Let's dive into everything we know so far about the Realme GT 8 Pro. Let's start with the screen. This is one area where Realme is going all in. The GT 8 Pro swaps Samsung's panel for a BOE-made 6.78-inch flat 2K Sky Screen. It supports a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate and uses custom Q10 Plus luminous material for richer colors and efficiency. But here's the jaw-dropper: peak brightness shoots up to a record 7,000 nits. That's brighter than almost every other flagship out there, and a big jump from the GT 7 Pro's 6,000 nits. At the same time, it can dim all the way down to just 1 nit, perfect for nighttime use. And yes, it comes with global DC dimming, circular polarization for better eye comfort, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking. At the heart of the GT 8 Pro is the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This is Qualcomm's most powerful chip yet for 2025, delivering next-gen performance for gaming, AI tasks, and multitasking. Realme is expected to pair it with advanced cooling, so this phone should handle heavy workloads without breaking a sweat. Realme is also solving one of the biggest flagship complaints: battery life. The GT 8 Pro is said to feature a massive battery, bigger than 7,000 mAh, which is insane for a slim premium device. Charging won't be a problem either, because it supports 120-watt fast charging. And for the first time in the GT Pro lineup, you'll also get wireless charging support. That's a huge step forward for Realme's flagship series. The GT 8 Pro won't just be powerful, it's built to last. It's expected to carry an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, something fans have been asking for. Audio gets a serious boost too, thanks to dual 115E stereo speakers and an X-axis linear motor for flagship-level haptics. And now, let's move to the most exciting part: the cameras. Realme is breaking away from its usual design and going with a futuristic robot-inspired triple-camera module. Instead of the typical square or round housing, the GT 8 Pro uses two circular lenses alongside a square periscope telephoto unit. And here's the headline feature: the periscope telephoto is a 200-megapixel camera, the first ever in a Realme phone. Paired with a 50-megapixel main sensor and an ultra-wide lens, this camera system is built for zoom lovers and detail hunters. Realme clearly wants to take on Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Samsung in the camera wars. The Realme GT 8 Pro is expected to launch in October 2025, and we'll likely get even more leaks before the big reveal. So stay tuned, because the GT 8 Pro might just be the phone that redefines value in the premium flagship category. What do you think? Can the Realme GT 8 Pro really challenge the likes of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, the iQOO 15 Pro, and the OnePlus 15 series? Drop your thoughts in the comments.